Good morning, friends. If you're over 60, you already know staying strong and active is key to living your best life. But building or even maintaining muscle can feel like a constant uphill battle. You've probably been told again and again, eat more protein. And while protein is important, I'm here to tell you something surprising. There's actually one essential mineral that rebuilds muscle faster than protein alone. And here's the kicker. Most people over 60 don't get nearly enough of it. Forget protein. This mineral rebuilds muscle fast after 60 in this video. We'll dive deep into what this mineral is, why it's absolutely vital after age 60, and how you can easily add it to your diet to see real, noticeable muscle improvements. So let's get started, because feeling strong and independent shouldn't get harder with age. Section 1. Introduction and problem. As we get older, maintaining our strength and independence becomes more challenging. One of the biggest reasons for this is a condition called sarcopenia, a gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that affects millions of seniors worldwide. You might notice everyday tasks, like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even standing up from a chair, become harder. Many people, especially seniors, hear the common advice: eat more protein. And yes, protein is important. But what if I told you that focusing on protein alone misses a crucial piece of the puzzle? Behind the scenes, a powerful mineral works silently to repair and rebuild your muscles, and it's often overlooked. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly which mineral that is, why it's absolutely critical after 60, and most importantly, how you can easily include it in your daily routine to see real results fast. Section 2. Why protein isn't enough. Protein is the essential building block for muscle tissue. When you eat protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which then help repair damaged muscle fibers after exercise or daily wear and tear. But here's the catch. Protein can only do so much if your body doesn't have the right tools to use those amino acids properly. Muscle repair is a complex process that requires activation of specific enzymes and energy production inside muscle cells. Without certain key nutrients, this process slows down dramatically, which is why many seniors keep losing muscle despite eating more protein. Section 3. The mineral that rebuilds muscle. Magnesium. So what is this miracle mineral? The answer is magnesium. Magnesium plays a vital role in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, many of which are directly involved in muscle function, energy production, and protein synthesis. Simply put, magnesium helps your muscles generate the energy they need to rebuild stronger after damage. Section 4. Science behind magnesium and muscle growth. Let me break down the science a little. Magnesium activates a molecule called mTOR, which is like the master switch for muscle protein synthesis, the process that builds new muscle tissue. Magnesium also reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in your muscles, two key factors that slow down muscle recovery in older adults. Plus, magnesium supports the production of ATP, which is the energy currency of every cell. More ATP means your muscles have the fuel to repair and grow efficiently. Studies consistently show that seniors with higher magnesium levels have significantly better muscle strength and mass compared to those with deficiencies. Section 5. Why seniors are often magnesium deficient. But why is magnesium deficiency so common in seniors? As we age, several factors come into play. Our intestines absorb less magnesium from food. Many medications commonly prescribed to seniors, like diuretics and proton pump inhibitors, increase magnesium loss. Poor diet, digestive disorders, and even chronic stress can further deplete magnesium. This hidden deficiency can silently sabotage your muscle recovery efforts, even if you're eating plenty of protein. Section 6. How to boost magnesium. For muscle growth, the good news is, boosting your magnesium levels is simple and effective. Here's exactly how you can do it. Eat magnesium-rich foods every day. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. These are not just for salads. Try them steamed or blended into smoothies. Nuts and seeds, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds make perfect snacks. Whole grains and legumes, brown rice, quinoa, black beans, and lentils. Dark chocolate, yes, a little treat can help, just keep it moderate. Consider high-quality magnesium supplements. Look for magnesium citrate or magnesium glycinate. These forms are better absorbed and easier on the stomach. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you take medications. Limit things that drain your magnesium colon. Talk to your healthcare provider if your medications might be affecting magnesium levels. Section 7. Real life. Example. Testimonial. I used to think just eating more protein was enough, but my muscles stayed weak and I got frustrated. Then I learned about magnesium and started eating more greens and taking supplements. Within weeks, I noticed less soreness, more energy, and I was able to walk longer distances again. It's been a game changer. Section 8. Practical tips for daily routine to help you get started. Here's a simple daily plan to naturally boost your magnesium and speed up muscle recovery in the morning. Blend a smoothie with spinach, banana, and a handful of nuts. Keep a small jar of pumpkin seeds or almonds handy for snacking. Add beans or lentils to your lunch or dinner salads. Take a magnesium supplement in the evening. It also helps you relax and sleep better. Section 9. Bonus magnesium and better sleep. Here's a bonus you might not expect. Magnesium doesn't just help muscles, it also improves your sleep quality. Better sleep means your body releases more growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair and overall health. So magnesium supports muscle rebuilding while you rest. Let's recap. If you're over 60, focusing only on protein is not enough. Magnesium is the mineral that truly rebuilds muscle fast by activating repair pathways, reducing inflammation, and boosting energy production. Magnesium activates muscle repair. Seniors are often deficient. Boost magnesium with diet and supplements. Magnesium improves sleep and recovery. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button and subscribe for more senior health tips. And I want to hear from you. Do you take magnesium? Have you noticed a difference in your muscle strength or energy? Drop a comment below. Remember, it's never too late to regain your strength and live your best life. Start prioritizing magnesium today and watch your muscles come back stronger than ever. And with upbeat music and screen text. Subscribe for more health secrets. Remember, no matter your age, it's never too late to rebuild your strength and reclaim your independence. Magnesium isn't just a mineral, it's a powerful ally that supports your muscles from the inside out. By prioritizing magnesium in your daily routine through simple foods and supplements, you give your body what it truly needs to repair, grow, and stay strong. Start today and watch your muscles come back stronger than ever. Your best years are still ahead. Subscribe. For more senior health tips, leave a comment below. What's your favorite magnesium-rich food?